fly, fly away. Spoiler alert, we got a spoiler. What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. We got a spoiler. That was one thing that I actually hated on the car when it first came in. So backtrack, this is for the new BMW M8. Spoiler was one of the things I actually hated on the car because it's so little, and we'll show you a clip of that. But we are going to install this new one from RW Carbon, and I'm really excited for it because it is quite the wing. So we're going to go through the whole process with you guys. The first thing we're going to do is remove the old spoiler that I really didn't like. So what are we doing?
So since it's not super warm today in Myrtle Beach, we're going to try to heat this up a little bit. We're going to take some fishing line, run it underneath the glue, and use that and like saw through and cut the glue so we can get the spoiler, this little tiny spoiler, off of the car. The new spoiler looks way longer and doesn't look like it's going to fit. So I'm actually a little nervous about this. For whatever reason, it doesn't look like it's actually the right spoiler for the car.
But bigger is better.
That's what you say. Okay, so we just took the fishing line and kind of got it under the corner and sawed back and forth until the spoiler came off. A lot of tape is left over, so literally all I do is I use this Goo Gone stuff and just see if it sprays. So we're running out. There we go. Oh my gosh, we're gonna need to get more. And I usually try to put like more than less. I apply it liberally. When I say liberally, I don't mean like wearing a mask and crying.
You think you're so funny.
That's funny.
Somebody's gonna think that's funny.
Somebody's gonna get offended.
Somebody's gonna get offended. Somebody's gonna think that's hysterical.
All right. So what I've done is I usually like spray it on. I used to spray it on and try to immediately start ripping it off, and I don't even think it worked quick enough. So one day I sprayed some on. It's actually I forgot about it. I went in the house and I came back out like 10 minutes later, 15 minutes later, and all the glue peeled right off. So I'm gonna try that. I'm gonna just spray it on here and leave it.
Spray and leave it.
Then we'll see what happens.
All right, we'll be back later.
Okay, so what we did was we got all of the sticky stuff off. What really worked was spraying that stuff on there and then kind of like scraping it off and then letting it sit for like 10 minutes, scraping it off, and it all came off. Then what we did was wash the car completely because I want to get rid of all that Goo Gone off the paint. So then we went, you can still see it's like wet down here, but I dried up at the top. So we washed it, got all of that Goo Gone off. Then we set the spoiler in place, and while Kristen was holding it, we put pieces of tape, like painter's tape, so I could see exactly where it goes, and I put a mark in the center, and then a mark on the spoiler so I could line them up. But I also put pieces of tape on the corners too, so it'll be easy to line them up. So what I'm going to do now is let's go inside and get the spoiler prepped.
So what are you doing?
Just heating it up so it gets nice and sticky when we go outside. So we'll just heat it up real quick, run it outside, and slap it on. I think it's in place, right?
I mean, if you line it up, then it's in place.
Well, that went on way easier than I was thinking.
So a big thing was that you marked the center.
Yeah, so it's all lined up, and then I just kind of put the tape on the edge, so I knew just like kind of.
Good job. All right, it's getting a little bit dark out, but we did get it in, or should I say get it on. Spoiler is on. Chris's little idea with the blue tape was a success. It helped us line it up really easily, or I should say it helped him line it up really easily because I held the camera, but I really, really like it. So let me know what you guys think. I think it definitely adds a little bit of attitude to the back of the car, but it's pretty and it definitely gives it some lift. I love it. But again, let me know what you guys think. First thing that we really did to the car other than the tint, and we will keep you posted on anything else we decide to do to it. Hope you guys liked the video, and I will see you on the next one.